What do you see from this rising rhetoric? It seems that it adds, for example, to a safe haven bid. We see stronger Japanese yen, but we also see a stronger U.S. dollar.
Yes, indeed. These have been the trends in the markets in recent days. All of that trade rhetoric is seen as adding to the headwinds for global growth. Is seen as reducing market appetite for risk. It's certainly boosting the value of the dollar, but also boosts demand for safe haven currencies like the Japanese yen. And I think that one should also stress here that we may not be out of the woods yet, especially if before long emerging market central banks have to start defending their falling currencies in earnest, burning through their FX reserves and in the process selling treasuries, boosting, if you wish, treasury yields. And in that really boosting the appeal of the dollar again and triggering a vicious circle where really dollar buying begets more dollar buying and so on. So certainly you could make the case for some more dollar resilience against those currencies, but also resilience of the safe haven currencies.
So, Valentin, I want to put a line under that note on emerging markets. We've seen the currencies fall so far, and clearly they're suffering this kind of double whammy effect from the possibility of a trade war as well as the Fed's rate rising path. Is it too early to go in and start, trying to bottom tick those currencies, trying to get some bargains here, or are you trying to catch falling knives? Do you expect that they could fall further?
Well, I mean, it is tempting, especially in real effective exchange rate terms. Some of those currencies do look cheap. That said, I think, as I was saying, we're not out of the woods yet. It is the case that things could get worse before they get better. So I think a cautious approach to really trading emerging markets or indeed risk-correlated currencies is certainly warranted. Is also our view. In our space, G10 space, we think that the likes of Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, currencies that are related to China really could continue to experience further headwinds, further lows may be likely before the summer is over. So to answer your question, I mean, I wouldn't think that investors should be brave at this stage and really try to catch all these falling knives. They'd rather should be a bit more cautious here.